In this video I'll show you how to get PlayStation Plus on your PS5. So it's quite easy actually. Once you log in into your PS5, okay, let me go on the home page. You need to make sure that on the top over here you have game selected, the first option, and not media. So once you're in game, go on the left side like this, once more, again, and the last option should be PlayStation Plus. Press X once you're over it. And now the first option over here should be sign up. Click on it. So over here, once you're on this page, you're gonna have the yearly subscription cost. This is in Canadian dollars, okay? In the US, it will obviously look cheaper than this. So you have premium, extra, and essential. If you want to see the price for only 3 months, or maybe just want 1 month and not an yearly subscription, you're gonna use the trigger L2 and R2 to shuffle through the different pricing. So over here, if I press this, you see it switches to the price for 3 months subscription. And if I press again, it will switch to monthly price subscription. And yeah, you can do this to switch between and compare the prices. So you choose the one you want. If you want to see, to compare features of these different plans, press the square button and here we go. You're gonna have more information this way. So this is it. Once you're ready to purchase one, you simply press the X button and then press accept. It will give you the cost you're gonna pay, and also all these things over here are auto renewable, which means that if you don't cancel, they will charge you again once your subscription ends. Okay, so you have to end it if you want to stop them charging you. Okay, so over here for 12 months, this is the price, and you have next payment date, which means that here we go, in 1 year of time, they will charge me again and they will put me in another 12-month subscription if I don't cancel. If you have a discount code over here, go over the 3 dots, press X and select enter discount code if you have one. If you don't have any credit cards associated or any cards, select add payment method over there. And yeah, overall confirm purchase and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.